Oh, Jack.
Yeah.
Wait, before you cook the chickens, let me show you something. They make a fucked up noise when you hit them all at once.
Yeah.
With the sword,
Oh my
like,
god.
like it's
I
fucked.
think they sound like...
It's more like,
Oh, fuck.
like a whole bunch of fucking cockatoos screaming at once.
It's so funny.
Just come over to them and just take one swing at them, and they'll make a fucked up noise.
That
Right.
Oh my god.
That was a fucked up noise.
Holy shit.
I thought that was in game.
Yeah.
You ready?
I actually
Ready,
thought
Liam?
that was the chickens.
Yeah, do it again.
Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it through Jack's mic. That's so funny.
I'm dying.
Like my
God.
ears.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, he's like maxing out his mic as well.
Fuck.
Oh my god, you're
Peaking.
Liam, you're fried,
Bloody
my
hell.
dude. You are fried.
That bong is so fucking good.
What the fuck?
Holy fuck.
Holy shit.
You are off your chops, cunt. You are off your
You
chops.
gotta save here, Liam.